ASMR.
Did I stutter?
Has it really been 10 years? A local businessman pledges college tuition to third graders.
I wake up every morning in a bed that's too small, drive my daughter to a school that's too expensive, and then I go to work to a job for which I get paid too little. But on pretzel day, well, I like pretzel day.
You from another planet? So do you understand? Yes, boy, have you lost your mind? Cause I'll help you find it. What you looking for? Ain't nobody gonna help you out there. Jesus can come through that door and he's not gonna help you if you don't stop sniffing after my child.
Easy if you take a deep breath, lift from the knees, and shove it up your butt.
Not like pregnant women in my workspace. They're always complaining. I have varicose veins too. I have swollen ankles. I'm constantly hungry. Do you think my nipples don't get sore too? Do you think I don't need to know the fastest way to the hospital?